Introducing the Muddy Manifest 2.0. Built on the legacy of the Muddy Manifest, now boasting AI night color photo technology, video transmission, and AI animal recognition. The biggest improvement in the Manifest 2.0 is the all-new Command Pro app. The Command Pro app employs revolutionary AI night color photos. This enables the user to bring their black and white night photos to life with just one tap. Exclusive to the StealthCam Command app, AI technology locates the animal in the image and automatically colors the photo, reintroducing the image to its natural color. AI animal recognition software identifies features of animals and automatically sorts photos into categories like hogs, coyotes, and it can even tell the difference between bucks and does. Users can tag animals with custom names, enabling the user to see only photos of that animal. Users can filter photos by temperature, time of day, and moon phase, allowing users to discover patterns with one tap. Brand new to the Manifest 2.0 is the ability to switch the camera to video mode. Users will receive a GIF preview on the Command Pro app, allowing the user to decide if they would like to download the full video. High-definition photo downloads are also available on the Command Pro app, vastly improving the photo quality of the Manifest 2.0. High-quality stills and HD video give the Manifest 2.0 its incredible photo quality, while all the camera settings are controlled right from the user's phone. Simply download the Command Pro app and scan the QR code. With a